The Electronic Specialties 191A Relay Buddy Pro Kit, also known as the ES191A Relay Buddy Pro, is a comprehensive kit designed to detect faulty relays effectively. This kit includes a relay buddy tester, 5 new relay adapters, and a blow mold case, providing all the necessary tools for testing 5 different types of relays. One of the standout features of the Relay Buddy is its quick go-no-go testing ability for the most common automotive relays, making it a valuable tool for automotive professionals and enthusiasts alike. With the included adapters, the Relay Buddy not only tests 5 different relay types, but also tests shielded relays, proving its versatility and comprehensive relay testing capabilities. If a test cycle proves unsuccessful during the test session, the Relay Buddy will fail the relay and light the red LED. If the relay is good, the green light will illuminate, providing clear and immediate feedback. This device can be set to 4 and 5-pin relay and uses the vehicle's 12 volts battery for power, making it a convenient and practical tool for automotive relay testing.